This is my vlog. No special guest. First holiday of the year. It's January 1st. Just arrived in Tenerife. It's 9:30 p.m. and everything's closed. We're both starving and we're just walking to a petrol station, which is our last resort. Simon's ill and insufferable. Yeah, we're about to see if this petrol station is open, and that's our last resort. If it's not, oh thank God it is. Thank God we can have a lollipop. There he is, my husband that I might lose. We have just landed and I'm still wearing my London winter coat. It's absolutely roasting here. So I'm sweating, but it's fine. Everything's fine. Day one in Tenerife, Orotava, and it's raining. So we're off to a really good start. Didn't sleep well, don't know why. It happens sometimes. I think like a new place, new pillows, yeah. So we're just walking around, trying to suss out the place. Husband is looking at maps and museums. We've done a supermarket trip. We're staying in a really nice Airbnb. We're hoping the weather gets a little bit better because we were here to get a tan. Finally found sun in Garachico. I've overlaid. Day one nearly completed with some sun and some rain, and I still have a very ill husband. Day two, Simon's still really ill. It's not funny. We're on our way to search for some heat in Las Cristianos. It's an hour drive, but Simon needs it. Puerto de la Cruz. It's the 6th of January in Orotava. It's basically like Christmas Day in Spain. There's absolutely nothing open and no one in the streets. We didn't really plan food accordingly, so this should be interesting today. But the sun's out. I've had a little look around and the restaurants are also closed. So I have to go back to the flat and tell Simon that I don't know what we're going to do about food. And I don't know if you know this, but men without food, they start to panic and they start to be really concerned. And I don't know what to tell him. We've got 4 eggs and some ham, but it's still sunny. This is an apology video because I've realised that I forgot to vlog the second half of the trip. When we moved Airbnbs to the south of the island in a place called Adigir, it got really warm and I just got really focused about getting a tan. Forgot to film anything. So I'm sorry about that. It's now the 17th of January and we're back in London. It's very cold, but I'm really happy to be back home. I was really looking forward to it by the end, and that doesn't happen to me often, but I think 2 weeks is a good amount of time to be away. But mostly when it's warm in January, I'm just confused. And so I want to realign with what I'm used to, which is cold. I'm just really happy to be back home. I guess I'm a homebody. I don't like being away from home often. Back to it. I have to record some voiceover jobs, exercise, run some errands, get some food. You know, la-di-da. I'm so happy. Little life update. I have a sty inside my eye and it's making my eye swollen. I've never had a sty in my life and I've been back home 3 days and this is what's happening. So warm compresses. We just went to the cinema. We went to see Sentimental Value. Incredible. The acting was so good. I have no words. It was outstanding. The quality of the writing, the layers of the storytelling, and insane. Oh my God. It's Monday tomorrow, and I'm meant to be filming some sketches for TikTok. I need this to go down, to disappear. It's not looking good. It's not looking promising. We're still here. I actually managed to film the 4 sketches for TikTok. I filmed 4 today, which is my record and I wouldn't recommend it. But I was so concerned that this eye was going to get worse. I was like, I need to film it or I might have to delay everything for a week. Yeah, it's not getting better. It's not. I have yoga tonight. My first yoga class. I thought for the new year, my resolution was to do something new and meet new people. So tonight's the night. I'm quite apprehensive. I don't really like new things, but I think it'll be good for me. They might all be scared of me and my eye, but you know, they have to take me as I am.